In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy stocks on Moomoo. Whether you're new to investing or just need a refresher, this tutorial will provide you with a clear and easy to follow process. Let's get started. First, open the Moomoo app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. This step is crucial, as you won't be able to proceed with purchasing stocks without being logged in. If you happen to forget your password, Moomoo offers a straightforward password recovery option. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice several icons, and among them is the one labeled Accounts. Go ahead and tap on it. This section allows you to manage your various accounts within the app, making it easy to choose where you want to execute your stock purchases. After tapping Accounts, you'll see a list of your accounts. Choose the specific account you'd like to use for buying stocks. It's important to select the correct one, especially if you manage multiple accounts, as your stock purchase will be linked to this choice. Now that you've selected the right account, tap on Trade. This is where the action happens. The Trade section is your gateway to searching and buying stocks, providing you with all the tools you need to make informed investment decisions. Next, you'll want to search for the stock you're interested in buying. Moomoo has a handy search feature that allows you to quickly find stocks by entering the company name or ticker symbol. Once you've located the stock, select it to move on to the next step. With the stock selected, you'll see an option to tap Buy. This is where you'll start the purchasing process. Tap on Buy to proceed. Now, it's time to choose your order type and enter the quantity you wish to purchase. Moomoo offers different order types, such as market or limit orders, so be sure to choose the one that best fits your investment strategy. Take a moment to review your order details. It's crucial to double-check everything, including the stock symbol, order type, and quantity, to ensure accuracy. Once you've confirmed that all the information is correct, you're ready for the final step. Tap Buy to submit your order, and that's it. Your stock order will be placed, and you can track its status in your account. This quick guide has shown you how to buy stocks on Moomoo with ease. Remember, investing is an ongoing learning experience, so keep exploring and expanding your knowledge. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.